Funky D, everybody. Welcome back to Funky D News Time. Ladies and gentlemen, happy to see you again, man. Yes, today, we get some matter again. When just they come about this man, what they call Okorocha, and this guy went in with the fight, like cat and rat, what they call Oshomole of Edo State, when be the chairman of APC nationwide in Nigeria. There, now we talk. So now, Oshomole and Okorocha then sit there into the matter again. Because I know say Oshomole don't tell Okorocha say he don't disobey people when big person. Even if say in get money past them. But we don't know whether now Okorocha get money pass or not. We don't want to go into that today. We don't know who get money pass because now our money we know see then carry chucking put for pocket. As such, all of them be lazy people. Both Okorocha and Oshomole and the politicians when they that content because now our money then they use the shine. They use the deal with us. Alright, now we'll go into the matter now. Okorocha don't come and come talk say man APC leader. Then they instigate EFCC, DSS, ICPC, CCB to arrest and detain him. Immediately when don't hand over, give the person when win Imo State governorship election. When be Ihedioha, if I'm not mistaken. Okorocha don't come and say man. See a big problem. In no Okorocha now they cry. A whole Okorocha when we say people they respect in Imo State, ladies and gentlemen. Now they talk say that one when be like rat. They call Oshomole. They push him. Say in fact, last time Oshomole don't push him come up for in office, but this time around not be only Okorocha, EFCC, and DSS and ICPC. They go after. Then they go after both Okorocha's friend, his family, even people when anybody when we say they loyal to Okorocha, EFCC go come after you. So make you take them easy. If you know Okorocha, but not say the money when Okorocha loot from una when be Imo State people, now only Okorocha they enjoy the money. If in they enter that in private jet, you know they call anybody put. If in they stay that is his presidential palace, now only Okorocha they live inside there with his wife and his children. So if you not know Okorocha, anywhere want to see Okorocha, make you know Ben Johnson. Make you know Ben Johnson, borrow leg, join leg, because EFCC is coming. We don't tell Okorocha this thing. Even like 6-7 months ago, we don't tell Okorocha say, man, make you they wait. These people, they are coming after you. Because I know say, that time when they do election, Okorocha they shine with Jubri, with all of them. They yarn, they tell the world, they talk what they talk. They don't talk say if you open mouth, talk what they want talk. Say Asura go drop down. Till today, we not see Okorocha open mouth for anything. Okorocha no open mouth because of the oath when they don't swear, ladies and gentlemen. Okorocha no agree content the word say men, see waiting I see in Asurok, or see waiting I see in Asurok. Okorocha no agree. Now, Okorocha, now your turn, EFCC. ICPC, DSS, police, CCB, all of them they come after you, make you wait for them. Now this one be your turn. Whether you cry say no Oshomole because Oshomole time they come as well. Whether you cry say no Oshomole they do you, we don't want to know. But we must talk the matter the way when it be. Now, Okorocha don't go. Okorocha come talk say Oshomole when be the All Progressive Congress chairman or leader or whatever, and the APC people, say all of them, then they use EFCC, them. They find him when be Okorocha. They say talk this thing. I think it was he talked this thing yesterday in the court. In fact, the man don't file, he don't they file case against them in the court. Abuja. You understand? Because they say the reason why whether they follow Okorocha according to the news be say they won't ask Okorocha about the project them when in don't do in Imo State, or in don't do for Imo State people. Thinking say then go get Okorocha, say Okorocha na corrupt man. And everybody knows say Okorocha, you be Okorocha, you be complete corrupt man. Sure you understand? We know say not be Oshomole they do all the things. Not be Oshomole. Oshomole they do this thing with the help of the Kabas. The Northern Kabas. Because I talk say since Okorocha not come dey loyal to them, because we know waiting play out during this last election. When Okorocha scatter things for APC people. AA. As we hear say Okorocha na get that AA party. Alright? Okorocha can carry his son-in-law, come out for APC. Go put for AA. His son-in-law contest against Hope Uzodinma. Okorocha say no. Why they go bring Hope Uzodinma just some few days to the election day? Okay, the reason why he not accept, say, that some few days after I don't hope say he go store that in son-in-law, what they call Uche Nwosu. In fact, even the EFCC still they pursue Uche Nwosu. They pursue Okorocha children. They pursue all the family. They come. They cannot pursue them where make them vomit the money where they don't loot from Imo State people. Okorocha will no go ever side you. And in this platform, we not decide anybody. As he be, that's so the Yana. You get. Now, say because say then things say they go see and say Okorocha they talk and say then hope say the EFCC and the APC Kaban, Jubri and all of them then gang up against Okorocha. Okorocha they talk say this one na terror. Na terror. Okorocha they call and say this one na APC terror. He not they sleep again. He not know where he go hide his head. He not know where he want jump go. He not know who he go. He want run go meet because people when they supposed run go meet now then they find out. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't see that kind of thing before. People when you want to say now then go help you. Now then they pursue you. Now be this Okorocha own. Sure you get. So the matter now. Okorocha see never see this reign of terror against him and his family, against his business associate. Sure you get. His wife and his children, according to Okorocha, he say, man, even all his business associates and family members and all that, all of them now, they into problem. The terror, he say the reign of the terror, they pursue all of them. Then they can't call their name. They can't say one of them, where they pursue now, Oloma Rochas, Uju Rochas, Uchechi Rochas, Ahamefuna Rochas, Emem Rochas, Amechi Rochas, Uzoma, Wanka, and Uche Nwosu. Now them, EFCC, and the DSS, and all of them, they pursue, see, now all of them follow loot Imo State dry. Una know say it be like say that Okorocha estate it dey among the things when they target now. That estate when Imo people don't cry out say men Okorocha go build this estate put for Imo State where in get all those kind of money when it build that kind of estate when they run into trillion when Okorocha take build them. Now it be like say all those things are the things when the targets. Because already they know say Okorocha a very corrupt person. Okorocha himself no say incorrupt. Even in wife when they for us no say incorrupt. Now he don't tell us see both in wife, everybody and then they pursue. They go. Okorocha Funkidi say you go answer your name. You know what be your name. Mberiberizin. That be your name. You will go there. Go answer them. Because you don't tell us, say now. Say they won't come, they detain you. They won't catch you, detain you. But we know, say, ladies and gentlemen, whether Okorocha shout, whether Okorocha not shout, EFCC, no, they do their job. EFCC is a corrupt organization. EFCC, not be people when we they trust. Because we know what happened during the time of Oshomole. When Oshomole carried those big money, when Oshomole stay, I think 5 minutes, I be 10 minutes in EFCC, when they say they arrest him before you know. EFCC tell Oshomole, say, make him go house, say, in day above the law. They will know, say, Oshomole don't settle them with money, with Jubri. Give them money, then the man go go. Because I know, as Nigerian people, that they operate. When police catch you in Nigeria, they go first tell you, say, they go first whine you. One of them, you go see one of them, go there one corner, come they throw some words, say, man, bros, come this corner. You go corner, go meet them, before you know, they begin, they begin chant money matter. Make you bribe them. If you not bribe them, they're not going to leave you. Now so that they do them. Make you give them money. If they not give them money, they're not going to leave you. If they not give them money, they'll go put you inside. Now the same thing when they play out everywhere, including to these people when they call themselves politicians in that country. Or politicians in that country. Oshomole go there, they will tell us, okay, give us inside the money now. Oshomole carry like, for example, ladies and gentlemen, carry like 10 billion. EFCC go tell and say, okay, inside this money, now so, I don't know how to bend mouth or how to deceive people. Now so it dey happen. For example, Oshomole carry 10 billion. Then or let's say 10 billion for example. Then EFCC go meet and they go tell and say, man, we don't invite you, so we don't want to talk too much. The thing when you give us, just give us about 3 billion inside or 5 billion, make it be 50-50, may you go. Then Oshomole go give up the money, Oshomole go free. Now so it dey work. Sometimes they go tell you, say, somebody like Oshomole or Okorocha Day. Sometimes, ladies and gentlemen, they'll tell you Oshomole or Okorocha Day, EFCC. But these people, then they inside their house, they enjoy with their family. We know they believe them. Then be wayo people. Okay, we'll stop here for about this Oshomole and Okorocha matter. I don't hear waiting Okorocha telling us, see, men. Then they carry EFCC. All of them, they pursue them. DSS, ICPC. See you, son? The pursue won't be Okorocha and the family. Alright? But I won't go to this issue of IPOB. And because many things when they happen in Igbo land, when Funky D say he not understand anybody again in that country. When I know say IPOB people, then talks on the 30th, say they go do, sitting down at home. That one not be disturbed. That one they not disturb anybody. They not fight anybody. Just sit at home. They want just to remember the fallen heroes when they don't kill. The time when the time of Ojuku fight and the people when they don't kill of recently. During the time of this Operation Python nonsense, what did they do in Igbo land? Alright? To sit down at home when IPOB people say make people sit down at home. Not be bad thing, ladies and gentlemen. Why can't be say Hausa people, Devumahi, Okezek Bazo, these people, Willie Obiano, this man they call, all this group, what they call themselves, Ohane Zendigbo, all of them can carry this thing, this matter for head. I don't understand. And I no go ever understand this kind of matter. When we say, it don't read the tongue, when we say, Hausa man now, when they, because una no say, that is why I don't tell una before, say, una, when be southeast, south, and southwest, or however that they call una, when they down Nigeria, I don't tell una before, say, Hausa people, or Fulani people, don't succeed, Islamize that country, what they call Nigeria. Nothing when you can't argue, say, they never fit, then that in Nigeria is already Islamized. Because any police station when you go in Nigeria, whether inside your village, whether inside the Urobolando or Efik Lando or Ejo Lando or anywhere in that country, or whether inside the River State, Cross River State, na Hausa people, na them be the chief police officers when they there. That's what I tell you, I say, everything na cage Nigerian people dey. That's why they tell you, I say, una better unite against these APC and PDP people. Una better unite against these people, whether they call themselves Hausa Fulani people. Because Nigeria is gone. Nigeria is already hijacked by these Fulani herdsmen people. All corner. look at this Hausa man now when they Anambra State, when be CP or whatever he call himself, when be their chief in Anambra State, they talk say they think when IPOB people talk, they not make sense. Say make everybody go their their normal job, whether they go every time, every day. Make they just make everybody make nobody mind IPOB or mind waiting IPOB they talk, because IPOB they irrelevant. Say waiting IPOB people they talk no make sense. Now him, the Hausa man, they tell Igbo people. And Hausa man will come to your land. They control you, they tell you what to do in your land. So, waiting they wrong say people when be Biafran people sit down at home on 30th. I don't see anything when they wrong. Money, move not say because of money or business when they do. The business when they do since when Nigeria be. Or since when Nigeria become, Nigeria still there where it dey. Which is sense when he make now say people go to come and say now because say people have to go their daily job make because they have to do business. What kind of business? One day now him IPOB people want to sit down at home. Now these people when be this policeman when be their CP and all these Ohanese people and all these governors, they talk say make the not mind IPOB people. I not blame una. Funky D say not blame all of una because now because say now our people when be the Igbo people when they cause all this nonsense, when they make Hausa people, they come dictate. Because if now northern part now when they do this sit at home go stand as sit at home. Everybody go sit at home and nobody go oppose them. Why can't be say everything when they our side, everything when they Igbo land, now Hausa man must say yes or no. Now just because say the Igbo people, when we say now them be the leader of Igbo people, when they call themselves Ohanese Ndigbo and all these people when they agitate, because they are not cooperating. Now make that stupid Hausa man, when they call themselves CP, when they Anambra State, they get got, the commissioner of police, now be CP now, sorry ladies and gentlemen, the commissioner of police, that is the CP, they get the gut, they tell people, say, they tell Igbo people, say, they think when IPOB talk no make sense, make them go their normal job, where they go before. So waiting one day get to go to do with 365, let's say 364 days in a year, we'll get. Just one day, when people want to remember fallen heroes, people want to don't kill about 3.5 million people during the time of Ojuku, Biafran war. Now, this man, when be commissioner of police, when the Anambra say, tell people say, may they not remember those people. Ladies and gentlemen, does that make sense? Ladies and gentlemen, because of this thing now, when this people they talk, it never reach una to unite together. In shame not they catch una, say na Hausa man they come on a land, they dictate for una. Shame not they catch una, say na Hausa people they come, they tell una what to do, they command una. The same hand when they get, na him our people get. The same two leg when they get, na him we get. Because now big all these things they happen because una don't sell, majority of our people, they don't sell their souls to the northern cabals. Just like the one, the thing now when they happen to Okorocha now. When Okorocha, they into big problem. Because the time when him be governor, the man forgetting people. That is why you see, if EFCC or the cabals that they pursue you, Okorocha they pursue you with the gun, with the long stick, with dynamite, with everything, with all kinds of weapon, nobody go send you and your family message. Because when you did there, you not send anybody message. When you did there, you not remember your people. You they run, go they meet Hausa man. Now, Hausa man they pursue you. Tell me now where you won't hide now this time around. If to say our people unite, because we know the reason why when these people that they pursue Okorocha, everybody know. If to say our people unite, no fear no go let even Buhari say they pursue Okorocha like that. If unity day among una when be the Igbo people, among una they call una self our leaders when they Igbo land. If unity day, all these things when they happen, all this bullshit no go they happen. Now because see, our people they don't see una not unite. That is why you see. Then go they come after one after the other. Look at it. That man what they call Nwobosi when don't win Senate House. Then drag the certificate of return where they don't give them. INEC collect them back. INEC tell and say men, you know they go no Senate House. Somebody where they don't carry certificate of return give. Now they don't go carry the certificate now. From him, just like the way, although Okorocha own, they never give Okorocha at all. They say they no go give Okorocha. They no go give Okorocha this certificate. Say them go deal with Okorocha. Now they are dealing with Okorocha, including Uche Nwosu, including Okorocha wife. So that is the reason why Funky D they always tell Una, say make Una unite, because without unity, Una no dey go in.